Acorns Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Acorns are in the description below. Let's dive in. Acorns is a robo-advisor designed for people who want to invest passively and start with little money. It's a great choice for beginner investors or those who want an easy, automated way to grow their wealth. Acorns focuses on rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change, which is called micro-investing. For example, if you spend $3.50 on a coffee, Acorns will round up the purchase to $4 and invest the 50 cents. This process helps users invest regularly without even thinking about it, which is perfect for those new to investing or people with busy lifestyles. Key features. Acorns offers a variety of investment options, including ETFs, which are diversified across different sectors and asset classes. It uses a goal-based approach, where you can set objectives like saving for retirement, emergency funds, or even a vacation. The platform offers automated rebalancing to ensure your portfolio stays aligned with your goals. Acorns also provides a retirement account option called Acorns Later, which is great for those who want to set up a tax-advantaged retirement plan without the hassle. On top of this, Acorns provides educational tools, a money management app, and a spending account through their Acorns Spend feature. Strengths. The biggest strength of Acorns is its simplicity. It makes investing easy, even for those with little financial knowledge. The micro-investing feature is perfect for people who don't have large sums to invest up front. The low fees are also an attractive factor, with plans starting as low as $1 per month. Acorns' automatic rebalancing and diversified portfolios make it a great hands-off investment tool. Weaknesses. The main drawback of Acorns is its higher fees relative to other robo-advisors, especially for smaller portfolios. The micro-investing model may not appeal to those who prefer more traditional, larger investment amounts. Additionally, Acorns doesn't provide access to individual stocks, which might limit more advanced investors looking for greater control. Conclusion. Acorns is an excellent choice for those who are new to investing, want to start with small amounts, or simply want a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Its ease of use, micro-investing feature, and low-cost structure make it perfect for passive investors. If you're looking to get started with little effort, check out Acorns through the link in the description.